I came from Italy. I was invited here in 2012 by Professor Ratmai Mirzakulov with the visiting professor program promoted by Kazakh government. So I must thank Professor Mirzakulov, Eurasian National University for this important opportunity. What about my job? I must say that the group of Professor Mirzakulov is one of the leading group in theoretical physics. And Professor Mirzakulov published many research papers in many different topics, from cosmology to particle physics to high energy physics in general. So my research area is the cosmology. With Professor Mirzakulov, I wrote almost 40 papers in 3-4 years. This is a good result. We collaborated with other researchers, especially from Europe, from Italy, from Spain. And of course, we collaborated with our young researchers from the department. The results of our activity are quite important. All our papers have been published in international journals also with high impact factor, like Classical Quantum Gravity, Physical Review of D, APJC. We wrote also 2 monographies about modified theories of gravity, more than 150 pages, and another one about inflation. And our papers are also very well cited. It means that people use our results inside the scientific community. In parallel, I also teach to the students. I teach in English. My students very well know English, can follow without any problems my lecture. I teach complex analysis, special relativity, general relativity and cosmology. The first year also an introduction to the standard model. So here university invested a lot of money. So there are many facilities for the students. I see that my students are supported by grant, by fellowship. This is very, very important, because in this way the students can study without any problem in a quiet way. They can concentrate on what is a job, because studying is really a job. So what can I say? My impression about this university is very, very positive. Here people has very young mentality. They work a lot, they reach a lot of results. I'm sure that in the future this university will still improve, because people merit this. They really work a lot. I think our topics are a hot topic of the moment in the scientific community. We are working with modified theory of gravity applied to inflation. Inflation is an important period in the history of our universe, when our universe expanded in an accelerated way after the Big Bang. And I think that also our students, our researchers in our department must become familiar with this topic, because in the future we will still continue to work in this direction. And I think that this kind of research offers many opportunities to find new results for good publication.